Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? This is Sandra Shakir with you. In this video you should focus on this motto: watch, listen, speak, read and write. Let's start today's lesson. We are going to learn kinds of noun, abstract noun. We will learn definition of abstract noun with examples. What is abstract noun? It is important to know about 5 senses of our body. For learning abstract noun, we have 5 parts or organs of our body. They are eyes, nose, ears, tongue, skin. Eyes are used to see, nose is used to smell, ears are used to hear, tongue is used to taste, skin is used to touch. Therefore, the 5 senses are sight, smell, hearing, taste and touch. Now move towards abstract noun. What is abstract noun? Abstract noun defines 3 things. Abstract noun 3 बातों के बारे में बताता है: idea, quality and state. For example, dream is an idea, kindness is a quality, happiness is state of mind. So what is abstract noun? An abstract noun is opposite of concrete noun. Abstract noun concrete noun के opposite होते हैं. अब concrete noun क्या होते हैं? ऐसे noun जिसे हम देख सकते हैं, छू सकते हैं, जो solid form में हमारे सामने मौजूद हो. Abstract noun cannot be touched or seen. Abstract noun को ना हम छू सकते हैं और ना हम देख सकते हैं. ये ऐसे नेमिंग वर्ड हैं जो हम ना देख सकते हैं और जिन्हें हम ना छू सकते हैं. It can only be thought of or felt. Abstract noun ऐसे नेमिंग वर्ड है जिससे हम सिर्फ सोच सकते हैं या महसूस कर सकते हैं. Awareness, loyalty, honesty, friendship. Can we see, touch, taste, smell and hear these naming words? No, we cannot see, touch, taste, smell and hear these naming words because they are abstract noun. They are not in solid form. They can only be thought of or felt of. Let's use some abstract noun in sentences. Pride. I take pride in my work. Surprise. I have a surprise for you. Wealth. He owes his wealth to good luck. Worry. Don't worry, I shall get there safely. Fear. The girl trembled with fear. Failure. All their plans ended in failure. Beauty. She won the beauty contest. Comfort. The hotel offers high standard of comfort and service. Sleep. I need to get some sleep. Skill. Her job demands a high degree of skill. An abstract noun can also be formed by adding suffixes. For example, mother plus hood, motherhood. Friend plus ship, friendship. Remember, abstract nouns are common nouns. They can be countable or uncountable. For example, promises and thoughts are countable abstract nouns. Patience and carelessness are uncountable abstract noun. Let's revise the definition of abstract noun. Abstract nouns are names of things that we cannot see, touch, taste or smell. We can only think of, hear or feel abstract nouns. Read with me some common abstract nouns. Action, cleverness, difficulty, height, ignorance, knowledge, slavery, affection, courage, discovery, heroism, illness, pleasure, strength, childhood, cruelty, friendship, honesty, justice, protection, thought, choice, death, goodness, humility, kindness, punishment, truthfulness.